Welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video because you didn't have to. But while you're here, please like, share, and subscribe and all that good stuff. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. I made it to 13 days. I'm gonna pat myself on the back because it took hard work and dedication to get here. I'm not gonna promise that I'm gonna make it all the way to 25, but we gonna try. Okay, so today I'm finally doing the 12 days of Christmas little game thing DIY because today will be the day they have to choose a gift because we have 12 days left until Christmas. Okay. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and do the little thing that I came up with. And, yeah, we're going to see how it turned out. I hear my child coming in here with her tablet. I thought about it, and I need to explain to y'all exactly how I'm doing this. So, I have this poster board here, right? And I have these small cups, these little mini cups. So, I'm going to write the numbers 1 through 12 on these cups, and we're going to hot glue them on different spots on this board that we have here. And then with that, and then we're going to write the numbers 1 through 12 on all their little gifts. We're going to put all the gifts in this bucket here. And then we're going to use this to throw, well, the kid's going to use this to throw on the number. And whatever number this land on or go over, that's the number of the present they're going to get. So whatever number is on the cup, the number should be on the toy because I'm writing numbers on those. Okay? If that don't make sense, if this land on the cup number 6, then whatever number 6 is on the toy, whatever toy that has the number 6 on it will be the toy that they open today. Okay? Alright. Okay, let's start writing the numbers on these cups. They're going to be like this, so we're going to write the numbers like this. Oh, y'all can't even see. Okay, so the cup's going to be going like this, so we're going to write the numbers on there like this way, upside down, basically. I'm left-handed, so sorry if my hand is in the way. 1.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling, and friends are calling.
So I sort of kind of mix the cups up together so we won't have the numbers in order. So now we're going to just start gluing the cups on here in random places. And make sure the numbers are showing. this is everything. I got them. What we're gonna do is separate the toys. LJ toys in the pile, Carlin toys in the pile. Okay, now I'm going to number their toys. To fit everything in these buckets. Here is Carlin's, all done. Let's do LJ's. Oh, 10. I was gonna say, did I not put a number on there? I hear a cow coming. What is it? See you later. She's so nosy. Okay, how we gonna fit this? Okay, we're just gonna set it like that. And here is LJ. Yeah, I'm gonna let them put on some clothes and then I'm gonna let them play the game for the day. Okay, so we are about to let the kids play the game. Okay, go ahead and do rock, paper, scissors to see who go first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What?
LJ won, Carlin. Okay, go ahead and go first, LJ.
What do I do?
Here, you take this and try to throw it on one of the numbers, okay?
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Hold on.
But can I get?
Yeah, you gon' hold on.
Imagine it smashes.
Okay, go.
Can we get it?
Yeah, so LJ didn't get a number.
What? It keeps on bouncing off.
Well, stop throwing it so hard then.
Does that count?
No.
What?
Another one.
This is so hard.
It bounced off.
A little bit closer. How about you get
I'm not gonna do this.
How about you get a little bit closer? Get a little
LJ, what are you doing? I cannot do it.
Okay, get a
Go.
little bit closer.
There you go. What number is that?
3. Number 3.
So LJ got number 3.
What number is this?
I don't know. You're gonna have to take stuff out.
This doesn't have a number.
Yes, it does. All of them have a number. That's number. Let's see. Number 7. Right there.
Oh, that blends in a lot.
Number 3. Find number 3.
Number 3.
What you have?
I got like, you flick it and you have to try and get it in the field goal.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Carlin
Play
turn.
with it?
Yeah, you can play with it.
Yay!
Your turn.
Ooh.
Can I get a little closer?
Yeah, you can get closer. You got all the way close. Go. Carla, what are you throwing it to? You're not throwing it to anything. You're just throwing it.
A few inches later.
Woo! What number is that? What number is it?
6.
Why you hesitate? You was gonna say that. Okay, come find number 6.
Okay.
Wait, I just realized.
What?
Since I got 3 and she got 6, so we counted by 3s.
Oh,
Where's
fine. Let me help you find 6. Okay, that's number 5. Number 1.
What?
3. That's number 6.
What did she get?
Caillou DVD.
can I watch it after the video?
Yeah. Yay. So you get to do another one tomorrow. So I just realized I also have this. I picked this up a while ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and open mine. Yeah, you can open it. I'm gonna go ahead and open my number 1. 12 days of skin. So let's see.
What?
Let's see what I got. Hold on, Evelyn. I have body wash gel, argan oil, lavender. Ooh, I want to know what it smells like.
No, we only do 1 a day.
Yeah, it's only 1 a day, Carla. I can't open this to see how it smells, but I have this.
Oh,
And yeah, that was us opening our 12 days of Christmas gift. I don't know if I'm gonna make this out of a vlog or just make it out of what it is. We're gonna see. But yeah, if not, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.